Hey guys, we are going to take a look at a couple problems from the homework tonight. The homework was determining whether or not we could create a triangle when we were given three different side lengths. First one we're going to take a look at is number 4. Now, we talked about it in class. We don't need to check that all sides, together are bigger than the other side. We just need to check to see if the two smallest sides, these guys, are going to add up to be larger than the third side, which is this one over here. Okay, so fractions, everybody's not crazy about those. We could actually turn these into decimals if we wanted to. You could use your calculator shortcut. That would work too. But let's take a look here. We'll turn over 3 7/8 and 2 1/2. So we're going to do 3 7/8 plus 2 1/2. I think the first thing probably would be easiest to do is just add our whole numbers here. So 3 plus 2 gives us 5 for the whole numbers. And then the 7/8 and the 1/2 is what we also have to add. So if we do 7/8 plus 1/2, 1/2 is also 4/8. So we're going to get 11/8 for that. When I add that back to the original 5, I get 5 11/8, or 6 3/8. Okay, now 6 3/8 is just a little bit bigger than 6 1/4. It's just 1/8 bigger. So that means that we could create a triangle out of this. So that would be a yes. And what kind of a triangle? All three of these are different sized lengths, so that would be a scalene triangle. Now if we wanted to use our calculator shortcuts, here's our fraction button right here. So we would do 3 7/8 plus 2 1/2. And if you hit enter there, you can see you get 6 3/8. And 6 3/8 is bigger than 6 1/4. Okay, so that's how we would set that one up. Next one I want to take a look at is number 12. So for number 12, in order to be able to make this work, we've got to turn these all into inches. Okay, it's because we've got 1 foot 8 inches, 1 yard 9 inches, 1 foot 7 inches. Okay, so 1 yard has 3 feet, and 3 feet have 36 inches. So we've got 36 plus 9. This is going to be 45 inches. Okay, and you might be able to tell already that this is not going to be big enough. So when we do 1 foot 7 inches, okay, that's going to be 12 plus 7 is 19 inches. And this guy over here, 1 foot is 12 inches plus 8 inches is 20 inches. Okay, and then when we add these two sides together, 20 plus 19 is 39. 39 is not bigger than 45, so we cannot make a triangle out of that. Okay, I think those are the only two that you might have a hard time with. Like I said, for the fractions, you can just use your calculator shortcuts, or you can do it the way that we did.